Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix laptop shuts down when charger is plugged out. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open the Start menu, search for Device Manager and open it. Once here, expand the Batteries section. Here you'll see your battery adapters. Right-click on each adapter, select Update Driver, and then click Search automatically for drivers. Do this for both of them. Now, if you don't see the battery adapters, click View at the top and enable Show Hidden Devices. Then update the battery adapters the same way. After that, right-click on each battery adapter again and select Update Driver. This time, click Browse My Computer for drivers, then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select the Microsoft AC adapter driver and click Next. Once that's done, repeat the same steps for the second battery adapter. Once you're done, close Device Manager. Now, open the Start menu again, search for Control Panel, and open it. Here, set View by to Large icons. Once here, click on Power Options. Here, next to your current power plan, click Change Plan Settings. Once you are in this window, then select Restore Default Settings for this plan and confirm by clicking Yes. Now, unplug the charger and check if the problem is fixed. If the issue still exists, click Change Advanced Power Settings. Scroll down and expand Processor Power Management. Then expand Maximum Processor State. Under On Battery, change the value to 40%, then click Apply and OK. Restart your laptop and test it again. If your laptop still turns off when you unplug the charger, open the Start menu, search for Command Prompt, right-click it, and select Run as Administrator. In the command prompt, type the following command exactly. Press Enter and wait for the command to finish. Then restart your computer and check if the issue has been resolved. If none of these methods work, the battery is most likely faulty or has reached the end of its lifespan. In that case, replacing the laptop battery is usually the best solution. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix laptop shuts down when charger is plugged out. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.